Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a software that can help you increase views and engagement on Instagram Reels. This helps your Reels stand out and gain much higher interaction. This is the main interface of the software. First, I'll log into my account. Here is how you add an Instagram account. Click Add Account. Enter the account details here, choose a category, and select the login format such as UID and password, 2FA or cookie. After that, click Add and log in. You can also attach a proxy to make your account more stable and secure. To increase engagement and views on Instagram, go to the seating function. In the seating configuration, I will select Reel Seating. Next, paste the Reel link here and click Save. You can add multiple Reel links, but in this example, I will use just one. Here, you can configure how long each account watches the Reel, whether it likes the Reel, and whether it follows the author. You can also set how many Reels each account will comment on. After finishing the settings, select the prepared comment content here, then choose the accounts and click Start. The software runs using API, so all actions work silently in the background. This means you can continue doing other tasks at the same time. Now, I'll open the tab to check how the engagement increases in real time.